Good morning, children. Now let us see exercise 6.2, question number 4. Question number 4 is in the figure 6.31. If PQ is parallel to ST, angle PQR equals to 110 degree and angle RST is equals to 130 degree. Find angle QRS. Hint is given as draw a line parallel to ST through point R. So already hint is given. That means we have to draw a line which is parallel to ST. Means from here X and Y line we will draw which will pass through R and will be parallel to ST. Okay. So that is the hint. So that line which is drawn will be shown with a dotted line. Now construction, what we have done, that construction part, that is drawing of line XY, that we will write. Draw a line XY parallel to ST through a point R, which is given in hint also. Now we know that it is given in question that PQ is parallel to ST, means this PQ is parallel to ST. Now we have drawn XY parallel to ST. Okay, by construction we have done XY parallel to ST. Then what? PQ parallel to ST and XY parallel to ST. That means PQ is also parallel to ST. Is it not? That is why here you can see PQ is parallel to ST given and ST is parallel to XY. That is by construction. So what? PQ is parallel to XY also. If this is parallel to this and this is parallel to this, means this is also parallel to this, right? So that PQ is parallel to XY and QR is the transversal. Now this is parallel to this and QR is the transversal. So 100 and this angle PQR and angle QRX will give what? Equals to 180 degree, as it is co-interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So angle PQR plus angle QRX, PQR and QRX, these two angles will form, sum of it will be equals to 180 degree because they are the co-interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Okay, so PQR angle measurement is given, that is 110 plus angle PQR plus angle QRX equals to 110. That means it is co-interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Measurement of PQR is given as 110 plus angle 1, this is angle 1, equals to 180 degree. Now angle 1 will be equals to, by transposing this to that side, it will be 180 degree minus 110 will be equals to 70 degree. Now as we know ST is parallel to XY. Okay, and SR will be the transversal. This is given ST is parallel to XY and SR is a transverse. Okay, that means angle TSR plus angle SRY equals to 180 degree, as they are the co-interior angles on the same side of the transversal. That is RST, this angle, plus SRY, this angle. These two makes what? Co-interior angles. Sum of it will be 180 degree. So implies as RST is given, RST is given as 130. So put the value 130 plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degree. Now by transposing we get angle 2 equals to 180 minus 130 equals to 50 degree. So angle 2 equals to 50 degree. Now angle QRX plus angle QRS plus angle SRY, this is equals to 180 degree. That is linear pair. This all is your linear pair. Okay, so and this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equals to 180 degree. Okay, so that is this angle we know, now we got it, the value is angle 1 is 70 degree. That means angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. Okay, sum of all these angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 2 equals to 180 degree. Linear pair implies angle 1 is 70 degree plus angle 3 plus angle 2 is 50 degree equals to 180 degree. Now keeping angle 3, because this is unknown to us, we have to find, keep angle 3 in this side and these two addition transpose it to the other side. So it will be angle 3 equals to 180 minus 70 degree plus 50 degree will be equals to 120. So minus 120 which gives 60 degree. So angle 3 will be equals to 60 degree. And we are supposed to find what? This one. This is our question. Find the angle QRS. Find angle QRS. Thus angle QRS equals to angle 3 equals to 60 degree. That is the answer for the fourth question. Now after that comes the fifth question, which goes like this. Fifth question is, in the given figure is given for fifth question also. If AB is parallel to CD and angle APQ equals to 50 degree and angle PRD equals to 127 degree, find X and Y. So for this we will go for, you can see you have to find the value of X and Y. Like this the figure is given, that is AB parallel to CD it is given. Okay, and a triangle is drawn likewise. PQR is a triangle. This angle is X, this angle is Y, and this is given as measurement 50 degree, and PRD angle is given as 127 degree. Now as AB is parallel to, it is given that AB is parallel to CD. Okay, and PQ is the transversal. For these two parallel lines, PQ is the transversal. If PQ is the transversal, this angle will be equal to this angle because they are the interior, alternate interior angle. Okay, so angle APQ is equals to angle PQR. Okay, as they form what? Alternate interior angles. Now APQ means what? 50 degree, which is equals to X, or angle X equals to, X is how much? 50 degree. Okay, first one we got value of X. Now the second part, again we know that AB is parallel to CD and PR is the transversal. Now we will take this as a transversal. PR is the transversal. So angle APR, this whole angle will be equals to this angle because they are the alternate interior angle. So that is angle, you can see angle APR is equals to angle PRD because they are the alternate interior angles. Now that is equals to, now this angle we can write as this angle plus this angle, is it not? This angle we can write like this angle plus this angle. So that is angle APQ plus angle QPR is equals to 127 degree. This angle is 127 degree. Okay. So now this angle APQ we know, that is 50 degree. So 50 degree plus Y is equals to 127 degree. Now by transposing we get Y equals to 127 degree minus 50 degree, which gives 77 degree. So Y value will be what? 77 degree. Thus X value is 50 and Y value is 77 degree. Okay. Now let us have sixth question. 6.2, sixth question is, in the figure 6.33, figure is given in the book. PQ and RS are the two mirrors placed parallel to each other. Okay, they are the mirrors, that's why this type of lining is made. Okay, so in the figure also it is given. PQ and RS are the two mirrors placed parallel to each other. An incident ray AB strikes the mirror PQ at B, and the reflected ray moves along the path BC and strikes the mirror RS at C, and again reflects back along CD. Proof that AB is parallel to CD. Now this construction is given, this figure is given. PQ and RS are the two mirrors placed parallel to each other. Okay, this AB is the incident ray which strikes PQ mirror and reflects back. Okay, reflects back and touches RS mirror at point C. Okay, and from here again it reflects back, that is CD is the reflected ray. AB is the incident ray and CD is the refracted ray. Reflected ray. Okay, and it is given that PQ is parallel to RS. Okay, so we have to draw in the incident and reflected rays laws you have read in class 9, that a normal is drawn which is perpendicular to the incident ray, to the plane, it is perpendicular to the plane. Okay, likewise you might have studied reflected ray, incident ray gets touches the mirror and then reflects back likewise. So this is the incident ray and this is the reflected ray. Okay, and a normal which is drawn will be perpendicular to the plane, is it not? And angle, this angle, incident angle will be equals to reflected angle. Studied this? Okay, so that method only we will apply here also. That is, AB is the incident ray which reflects back through BC and again reflects back through CD. Okay, so CD is the reflected ray, AB is the incident ray. Now we know that now perpendiculars which we draw, that is BM, that will be perpendicular to PQ, and here CN, that normal which is drawn, that will be perpendicular to RS. Clear? If these two lines are parallel, then perpendicular which is drawn to that lines will also be parallel. Is it not? If two lines are parallel like this and a perpendicular which is drawn through this also will be parallel. Is it not? That is the concept. So here you can see that is what it is written. Construction what? Draw BM perpendicular to PQ. Okay, BM perpendicular to PQ and CN perpendicular to RS. Okay. Now according to the law of reflection at B, this is incident ray and this is a reflected ray. So that is why angle 1 equals to angle 2. Okay, and at C, this is the incident ray and this is the reflected ray. So that means what? This is incident angle and this is a reflected angle. So angle 3 equals to angle 4. Clear? Because we know that incident angle is equals to reflected angle. Okay, in the laws of reflection. So 3 equals to 4. As PQ is parallel to RS, this line is parallel to this. It is given in question. Also BM will be parallel to CN. BM perpendicular to these lines, to line PQ and to line RS also will be parallel. So they are also parallel. Consider BC as the transversal. If these two BM and CN are parallel and BC is the transversal, then angle 2 will be equals to angle 3. Does it not? Because they form what? Alternate interior angle. If this line and this line, they are parallel and BC is a transversal, then this angle 2 and angle 3 will be equal because they form what? Alternate interior angle. So angle 2 equals to angle 3, alternate interior angles. Now multiplying 2 on both the sides, what will get? 2 angle 2 equals to 2 angle 3. we are multiplying 2 on both the sides. Okay. After that, angle 2 means what? We know that this angle 1 plus angle 2 means what? This incident angle is equals to reflected angle, we know. So I can break this as angle 2 plus angle 2, and in place of angle 2 I can write angle 1 because incident ray is equals to reflected ray. Is it not? This another way I can break it into angle 2 plus angle 2 is equals to angle 3 plus angle 3. Is it not? So now in place of this angle I can write what? Angle 3. Now in place of this first one angle 2 I can write angle 1 because we know that reflected angle is equal to incident angle is equals to reflected angle. So angle 1 equals to angle 2. So in place of angle 2 I can write what? Angle 1. Same way angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to, and from this again same angle 3 plus angle 4, because we know incident angle is equals to reflected angle. As this is the incident angle, incident ray makes incident angle as angle 3, and reflected angle, this is the reflected ray, CD is the reflected ray, makes reflected angle, that is angle 4 to the normal. Okay, so angle 1 plus angle 2, this makes what? This whole angle. Addition of angle 1 and angle 2 gives what? This whole angle, and addition of angle 3 and angle 4 gives this whole angle. So I can write angle ABC is equals to angle B, C and D. Okay. So but these are the alternate interior angles. This whole angle are the alternate interior angles. That means what? AB is also parallel to CD. If these two are equal and they form alternate interior angle, means AB is parallel to CD. That is proved. Okay, we were supposed to prove this. So, hence proved. Okay, now next is theorem 6.7. It is given that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, you have to prove this. The sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. Let PQR be a triangle. Okay, this angle, that is QPR as angle 1 and PQR as angle 2, QPR as angle 1, PQR as angle 2 and PRQ as angle 3. Okay, then to prove what? The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So here what are the angles? That is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180. We have to prove that. Okay. Now construction what we'll do? We will draw line XY which is parallel to QR. We are constructing that XY is parallel to QR. Okay. So now proof part. Now we have constructed what? XY parallel to QR by construction, and PQ is the transversal. XY parallel to QR and PQ is the transversal, means angle 4 will be equals to angle 2 because they form what? Alternate interior angle. Okay, so mark it as equation 1. Angle 4 equals to angle 2, mark it as equation 1. Same way, if XY is parallel to QR and PR is the transversal, PR is the transversal, then this angle 5 will be equals to angle 3. Is it not? If again second one, now XY is parallel to this and PR is a transversal, then angle YPR is equals to angle PRQ, which forms what? Alternate interior angle. This angle and this angle are alternate interior angle. That is why angle 5 equals to angle 3. Mark it as equation 2. Okay. Now we know that this whole angle, angle 4 angle plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is equals to 180 degree because they form what? Linear pair, linear pair. So angle 4, that is angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is equals to what? 180 degree, and which is linear pair. Now from equation 1 and 2 we get this angle 4 equals to angle 2 we have got in equation 1. So in place of angle 4 I can write angle 2. Here I can write angle 2 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is equals to angle 3. In equation 2 we got. So on substituting, and in place of angle 5 we write what? Angle 3. So angle 2 plus angle 1 plus angle 3 is equals to what? 180 degree. That means the sum of all the angles of a triangle. So angle 2 plus angle 1 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree, or we can arrange it in the ascending order, that is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree. That means hence sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay.